Alright guys, so today I worked on wiring the lights in the ceiling and also making up the lights once I was done pulling the wire. So I basically did half of the downstairs, which you'll see in the video, and then also I did a couple rooms upstairs, and then I didn't pull the home runs yesterday, and then they sheetrocked the ceiling, so basically couldn't get across the ceiling to the panel. I'm sure there were some beams there anyways, so I would have had to go around, I'm not sure, but basically I had to go around the outside of all the walls to get to the panel for the home run for the plug. And then I have another one to do tomorrow, which I already have the route planned out and almost drilled or whatever. I have the big parts drilled out, and then I just have to drill across the TGIs. So a little bit extra work, but it is what it is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by, as always. Thanks for the continued support for the daily coming back. And don't forget about the giveaway that ends, actually it doesn't end, but the chance to win a free drill ends tomorrow at 3:30, so you guys got some work to do if you guys want that. So I think we're about 30 or 40 subscribers away, so I wish you guys the best, and don't forget to check out that video and enter. Hopefully you guys, obviously one of you guys are win it, but hopefully you have a good chance of winning. And that about wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It greatly helps me out, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow at this job site. So guess we didn't really work at the other job site as planned, except for Monday. So change of plans, I guess, but it is what it is. So it's been sort of enjoyable, just not getting up in the morning super early. But all right guys, I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Peace out.